So friends, let's make these delicious whole wheat puris and this thick, tasty and really easy rabdi or basundi recipe. Now here I've taken 1 liter of milk and I'm going to boil this milk on a low to medium flame till it reduces to half. After it reduces to half, we're going to stir it well and we're going to add half a cup of sugar. Now you can adjust the sugar as per your taste. You can add more, you can add less. Stir the mixture till all of the sugar dissolves. Now we're going to add 1 teaspoon of elaichi powder or cardamom powder. Watch the video till the end. I will show you how to make this at home, especially for beginners. And I'm going to add a few strands of kesar or saffron, about 1/4 of a teaspoon or as per your liking. Stir everything really well. Let the mixture really cook. And you will see after some time that the milk starts to froth or bubble, which is a very good sign. Now you keep it on simmer and let it cook. You will see that it starts to even change color. So let it cook for another 10 minutes on a low to medium heat till it becomes nice and thick. Now our basundi is all ready. So we're just going to add some chopped up dry fruits. So I am just adding chopped up almonds. You can add pistas, cashewnuts, whatever you like. Now I'm going to transfer this to a serving bowl and decorate it with some lovely kesar strands. And I'm going to show you how to make whole wheat puris at home too. So the basundi that I made was enough for 4 people. So this is the lovely puris and this is the basundi. Let me show you how nice and thick the basundi has become. Doesn't that look really tempting? So now watch how to make whole wheat puris and cardamom powder at home. 2 cups of whole wheat flour, added a pinch of salt and some water and made a dough like this, which is very stiff. It shouldn't be like a chapati dough or a roti dough. It should be really stiff. And then I've kept some oil for heating. Then you got to just rub, grease your hands with a little bit of oil and then just make small balls like this out of the dough, even sized balls, and then press them down. So ensure that your hands are nice and greased with some oil so that they don't dry up. Now our oil is heating on a low to medium heat. And now once I've rolled out, I'm just going to fry a few just to show you all on for the video. And then I'm just going to roll them out. Not too much or not too less. I mean, we don't want them very thin. They should be a little bit thick, about 1/2 inch of thickness. And ensure that your oil is also very nice and hot. And then just put them into the hot oil. And then just press them down like this so they start to puff up. And once they puff up, just turn them over so that they get evenly fried on both sides till they're nice and golden brown in color. So you don't need to add anything. It's just plain whole wheat flour with a pinch of salt. You can even skip the salt if you don't want to have too much of salt, and just add a little water at a time and make it into a very firm dough. And then just drain all the excess oil of the puris onto a kitchen napkin once they're nice and fried. So today we had this patar bhaji with puris and we had some amras at hand. So we had that too. So it was a real treat. So do try out these, this recipe of patar bhaji and puris, and do let me know in the comments section below how you liked it. I would love to hear from you. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you soon. So I've taken about 7 pods of cardamom and put them in my mortar and pestle, and I'm just going to gently crush the pods. Then I'm just going to take out the cardamom seeds, which are black in color, and I'm going to put that into the mortar and pestle and set aside the pods. Now what I do is when I'm making tea in the morning, I add these empty pods to the tea when it's boiling along with some ginger, and it does give a little bit of a nice cardamom flavor to the tea. So you can use it that way. So now the black seeds are what we need to make this cardamom powder. These are the pods I put into the tea when I'm boiling it. And this is the black seeds that you have. So like each of the pods contain a lot of seeds, and now you're just going to crush it to make it a nice coarse powder. So you can make a big batch and store it at home whenever you require. So this is about 1 teaspoon roughly of cardamom powder. Today's video, and if you would like to see more videos like this, then don't forget to leave this video a big thumbs up. Also by clicking the thumbs up icon. Also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and become a part of Akshata's recipes. Once you have subscribed, there is a small little bell icon that will pop up, so just click on that. That way whenever I put up a new recipe or a new video, you get a message for the same. So on that note, I'll say bye and I'll catch you in my next video sooner than you think. This is Akshata saying bye, take care, stay healthy, stay fit, be kind and loving to one another. So till we meet again, bye.